The next generation iPhone is shaping up to be a game changer, and one of the biggest surprises is in the battery department. With just over 6 months to go until the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max hit the shelves, the leaks and rumors are piling up, giving us a clearer picture of what to expect. And if battery life is a major factor in your upgrade decision, then you're in for a treat. A new era of iPhone battery life? Apple has been making steady improvements in battery technology, but the latest leaks suggest that the iPhone 17 Pro Max could bring an unprecedented jump in battery endurance. The iPhone 16 series already set a new standard, particularly with the iPhone 16e, which reportedly featured new battery technology that extended usage time significantly. So, what does that mean for the iPhone 17 lineup? The C2 chip, the key to efficiency? Apple's custom modem development has been a long journey, and with the C1 chip already showing massive efficiency gains in the iPhone 16e, reports indicate that Apple is pushing even further with the C2 chip. If the C1 chip contributed significantly to the battery life boost in the iPhone 16e, then its successor could make an even bigger impact in the iPhone 17 Pro Max. According to leaks, the C2 chip will bring better power efficiency, improved network management, and possibly next-gen Wi-Fi support. This could lead to even lower power consumption, ensuring that iPhones last much longer on a single charge. A leap in battery capacity. Another exciting rumor is that Apple may finally increase the battery capacity in a significant way. Current leaks suggest that Apple is exploring carbon silicon batteries, which could replace traditional lithium-ion designs. These advanced batteries are already being used in some Android flagships like the Oppo Find X5, allowing them to fit larger battery capacities into thinner phones. If Apple integrates this technology, we could see the iPhone 17 Pro Max packing a higher capacity battery without increasing the device's thickness. Considering the iPhone 16 Pro Max already delivers 33 hours of battery life, a 20 to 30% improvement could push the iPhone 17 Pro Max beyond 40 hours of offline video playback, an industry first for an iPhone. A 19 Pro, more power, less consumption. Of course, battery life isn't just about the battery itself. Apple's chip efficiency plays a major role. The A19 Pro chip, expected to debut in the iPhone 17 Pro models, is rumored to bring significant energy savings, thanks to a more refined 3 nanometers process or possibly a shift to a more efficient node. When you combine the efficiency gains from the A19 Pro, the C2 modem, and a potential new battery technology, the results could be groundbreaking. We might even see an iPhone that outlasts the competition, including the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is rumored to be one of Samsung's biggest battery improvements yet. How Apple's battery evolution changes the game. It's no secret that battery life has always been a major deciding factor when choosing a smartphone. While Android manufacturers have focused on fast-charging technology, Apple has been taking a different approach, extending battery longevity. Instead of pushing insane charging speeds, Apple is working on making the iPhone last longer between charges, which is arguably more important for real-world usage. And if these leaks hold up, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could be the longest-lasting flagship smartphone ever released by Apple. What about the release date and price? Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 17 series in September 2025, following its usual launch cycle. As for pricing, things are still a bit uncertain due to potential tariff changes and Apple's pricing adjustments. Some rumors suggest the iPhone 17 Pro models could see a $100 to $200 increase. But if pricing remains the same, the iPhone 17 Pro would start at $999, with the Pro Max likely at $1,199. Excited for the iPhone 17 Pro Max? With everything we've discussed, are you final thoughts? The iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be Apple's most significant upgrade in battery life yet. If the leaks are accurate, we could see a huge leap in efficiency and endurance, making it a must-have for power users. So if you're planning to upgrade, This might be the iPhone that redefines what long battery life truly means. Make sure to subscribe to Technology Review for the latest Apple leaks, news, and hands-on reviews. Excited about these battery improvements? Could this be the iPhone that finally delivers multi-day battery life? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.